Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Infinix Smart 6 HD has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, let's open up our settings. From here, navigate to the security. See if there's a fingerprint here, but there's not. Also, we can try finding biometrics. And if there's nothing like that, we can always go for search and write fingerprint. But there's no results, so that means this phone doesn't have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.